Merry Christmas, everybody! Welcome to 24 Days of Christmas Books on Dad's Read-Along Stories. Think of this as your virtual Advent calendar. Every single day until Christmas, we are going to be reading a new Christmas book. And me and my kids are doing something really special this year. We have wrapped all 24 Christmas books, and every single day we are opening one, and that will be our book for the day, just like an Advent calendar. So join us. We'll be recording us open each book, and then we will be reading that book together every single day on Dad's Read-Along Stories. Welcome back to 24 Days of Christmas Books with Dad's Read-Along Stories. Let's get started. Okay, everybody, we're opening for day 9 of 24 Days of Christmas. Let's see what Christmas book we have today. Let's go, Liam, unwrap it. Everybody's happy with this. What? Oh no, let's go. What is it? Little Blue Truck Christmas. Let's read it together. Merry Christmas! So good to see you guys, and welcome back to 24 Days of Christmas Books. It is already day 9. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas, isn't it? We're so excited, and for day 9, we are reading one of our favorite book characters, Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Of course, it's a Christmas book, because this is 24 Days of Christmas. Thanks for joining us. Let's read. Little Blue Truck's Christmas. You guys know how this works. He always says beep, beep, beep. So get ready to say beep, beep, beep with me. 1, 2, 3. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? Have you guys got a Christmas tree yet, like Little Blue Truck? We have. We cut one down in our backyard because we have a lot of woods at our house, and it's super fun to do that every year. Let's keep reading. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends, both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. We're counting down from 5. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Oink, oink. Meh, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. What are they going to do with it? 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Yay! And my book's kind of broken because it's super old and we've read it like 500 times. But normally these Christmas tree lights right here, they light up and kind of dance around in a really cool way. But ours is broken. But that's the end of that book, and thank you guys so much for reading Little Blue Truck's Christmas, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching 24 Days of Christmas Books. Those of you who have joined in, those of you that have subscribed, I'm just super grateful, and I just hope you have an amazing Christmas. I pray that you remember Jesus Christ coming to earth, and that being the main reason for Christmas, and I'll be praying for you and your family this Christmas season. See you guys tomorrow for day 10.